So I drove 1 hour to get this mower, and surprisingly the owner doesn't know anything about it. So I got it and I came back, and it has some oil in there, but look at the air filter. This is not gonna run, period. So I'm gonna put some oil, gas in the tank and see gas in the car to see if it's gonna start or not.